Today we'll talk about how can you add bio on your Clubhouse app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, so then it's gone here to take you to this list. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Click here on add bio here, so then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will follow here, so anything you want to add or about you or your bio here in this list. So when you're down, all you have to do when you add your bio, just click here on down, then it's going to save with you on your Clubhouse app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.